There you are. That screws going back because it's new. Because it needs a different one. Because it needs to go some different one. Like that. So, like that. When that screw, when make that screws in like that. How's it that screws in it, guys? How's it? Nice bit stronger, Tony. See that? That's a bit stronger. Tony, me that's a bit stronger. If me dad's got phones, a good torch on it.
Exactly what I'm looking for, mate.
Yeah. See that? Now it's got torch. Now it's got torch on. Unscrew it like this. Careful for electric cables, Tony. Please. That's he has to be careful. That's all. And it stays, puts the red ones, push the red ones back in like that. And then unscrew it like that. Carefully.
Right.
Did have a look at the screws. How's then it's 2, 1. It's got screws.
Right. Okay, mate, that's it. We're waiting for Mum now to. I don't need them ones, they're okay now. They're older ones.
See that? They're old ones. Sorry, mate.
Okay. Yes, please.
What about this?
Wait.
Oh,
wait.
Sorry.
Wait.
That's very shocking. See that, Tony? Then so waiting for power zone. There you are. You can turn on now.
By the way, has this light got a bulb in it? Does it work? Well, our switch doesn't.
Well, we need a new bulb in. See that? That's like it's broken. The bulb is broken in it. Broken in it for so long.
There's nothing wrong with the switch, I know. It's just like definitely got a proper bulb that's working.
See that? That's got bulb.
I have no idea.
So unscrew it like that, Tony. Unscrew it like that.
It's a bayonet.
See that? See that? Obey it there. There you go. This is no good for eating now. this. Out of the way, please. Sorry.
Is that a new one, like?
Yeah. This. See that? Me dad puts the new ones in like that. Oh, maybe it doesn't work.
Just ask Mummy to just turn the electric off again. I'll just.
Teachers told us that's all. And unscrew back down again. Like that.
Oh, hang on. I'll tell you why it's not in properly.
That's just not in
the
properly.
one of the bloody black ways is not in properly. Have you turned it off?
See that? That's neat. Turn it off.
Well, that was in tight. It's popped itself back out again. That's it.
I keep going. Put screws in, put power back in properly. The different one. Then unscrew it. Have a look at screw. Like that.
Turn it back.
Not yet. Wait. And then make down. Screw it back in again.
Turn it back on now, Barbara, please.
Told you, Tony. There's things need to put back. Then this needs screwing back on up again.
Wait.
What? Yeah.
No.
Told ya.
I don't know why it's not working then.
Okay, what's going on now? Oh, sorry.